Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to discuss about SAP PM integration with other module. Okay, now I'm coming on my Excel sheet. So today we will discuss how our SAP PM is integrated with other module. Okay, and okay, so in this today's session, our first topic is why you should integrate your SAP module. So as per SAP definition, you know very well na कि SAP is a system application product that provide an application tool for all the maintenance activity to be performed. Okay, and all the activity which perform which activity perform in maintenance is integrated with a different module like SAP MM, quality, sales and distribution, production and planning, finance and controlling, and human resource. Okay, so SAP has many applications that can be adapted to meet the need of different businesses, and companies that decided not to integrate their SAP system are missing out on the powerful ERP system that SAP provides. For example, when combined with other SAP module, the modules are used to keep the data current. Okay, and the SAP plant maintenance module can integrate with other SAP ERP central components such as material management, quality management, production and planning, sales and distribution, and finance and controlling, and human resource. Okay, so now I am going to explain SAP PM integration with other module by considering this example. So when integrated, the work order notification process can be executed under plant maintenance. The following figures show how the process is completed. Okay, so suppose you are going to define, or you are going to create one notification or breakdown notification for particular equipment. And why you are going to create notification? Because your machine got breakdown suddenly. Okay, and you need to create one notification, and then you can take next further action. So first you have create notification, then what you will do? Suppose that your machine got breakdown, and the some spare part or some assembly got failed. Okay, so what you will do? You need some material to fulfill requirement, or to recover the machine from breakdown condition to actual condition. So you will create work order in the sense you will create maintenance order, because you need to perform some operation and you need some material requirement. Okay, if material is not in your purchase division, okay, there are one scenario: if material is not in your stock and it is not in your plant, so what you will do? You will create purchase requisition. Okay, and then team will create purchase order. So this is the integration part of PM and Okay, when the part will receive, you will issue part with a work order, then work order approved and release, then work order execute, and then work order will be closed. So this is the complete cycle. Okay, so So this is how we have completed one PM end-to-end cycle for external procurement. So in this cycle, our PM module is integrated with other module like a MM module. Okay, so this is the best example for SAP PM integration with MM module. Now I'm going to explain. Okay, integration with MM and MM FICO and FICO. So below are the some integration aspect. Okay, now I'm going to explain. So when in this picture it is mentioned in point wise. Okay, so when non-stock material PR process. Okay, so when you are going to create PR and PU process for the non-stock material, so it is integration part of PM and MM. If you are going to goods issue against material reservation, against maintenance order, it is also integration part of PM and MM. And if you are going to do some external procurement against maintenance order, so it is also integration part of PM and MM. So there are different type of point which comes under the SAP PM MM integration part. Okay, when you are creating bill of material for functional location and equipment, it is integration part of PM and MM. Why it is integrated? Because because uh, uh, you are using material to create bill of material. So in this process, you are considering, okay, you are considering material for material for material for creation of a functional location bomb and equipment bomb. So then when you will do material availability check, it is also integration part of PM and MM. Okay, if you are going to create serialized material, okay, for any equipment, so it is also integration part of PM and MM. So this is how you can understand how our SAP PM module is integrated with MM module, with other module. Okay. So again, I have explained it in PM, MM, and FICO. So when you can see here, PR trigger for a work order. Okay, so PR is triggering for work order, and you need some budget. Okay, suppose your machine got breakdown and you need some spare part to recover that material, that equipment from breakdown to actual condition. So you need some spare part of, and if you are going to procure some spare part, so for purchasing or procurement, doing procurement, you need some budget. So the budget allocation will be comes under the scope of FICO module. So this is how in this case our SAP PM MM and FICO module is integrated. Okay, if you are going to create material master and someone are creating material master for the batch management, it is integrated part of PM MM and FICO. Material valuation class type for refurbishment. Suppose you are going to classified material as per valuation type and valuation category. Okay, so if you are going to choose 3 different type of valuation category like C1, C2, and C3 for the refurbishment process, and C1 stand for new, C2 stand for repaired, and C3 for damage. So the cost for each value category will be different. Okay, so in this case, our PM module is integrated with MM and FICO. Okay, now good issuance for order map for a material posted to work order during issuance. Okay, so it is also integration. Suppose you are going to issue some material, okay, against work order, so material have some cost, okay, which is maintained already in material master. So okay, and you are going to issue this material against work order, so after issue this material, plan cost will be occurred, okay, occurred in maintenance order. So you can understand now, this is how our this activity is performing in MM. Sorry, this activity is performing during maintenance work order, and we are using material. Okay, so and material have some cost. So this is how our SAP PM is integrated with MM model. Okay, and now I'm coming on EM and FICO. So suppose you are going to do some activity based costing for labor and cost calculation. So and you are going to define it in KP26 code. Okay, basically it will be defined in KP26 code, activity based costing for labor cost calculation. Okay, as per cost center. So this is a integration part of PM and FICO. And if you are going to do some settlement settlement of order at a settlement profile or settlement receiver, so it is integration part of PMMM. Okay, so I'm going to explain by one example. Suppose you are going to, you have performed some maintenance activity, and you, for this you have create one maintenance order. So as per your maintenance order, there are three different type of cost. One is a estimated cost, second one is a plan cost, and third one is a actual cost. So how it will be flow? Suppose you are going to issue some material in component. Okay, and material cost is 100. So plan cost will be 100. and and when you will confirm the maintenance order, when you will perform order time confirmation or activity confirmation, the plan cost will be flow will be same as the actual cost. Okay, so so what you need to do, okay, so before completion of business of maintenance order, you need to do order settlement. Okay, and if you are going to settle order, it is integration part of PM and FICO. And costing analysis report, it is also uh, uh, integration part of PM and FICO. Now I'm going to highlight this thing in point wise. So again, I'm going to highlight you. It is integration with PM and MM. So suppose you are going to create reservation and goods issue for maintenance order. It is a integration part of PM and MM. Triggering PR from maintenance order. It is integration part of PM and MM. And non-stock material to create PR directly for work order. It is integration part of PM and MM. So there are so different type of point are given here, but you can remember only these three types or more than three for integration point for your understanding. Okay, and integration with FICO. So when you are going to do some activity based costing for operation performed through maintenance order, it is integration part of a PM and FICO. And settlement of accrued cost in maintenance order to GL account or cost center or asset, it is integration part of PM and FICO. The same thing is here. Okay, one second. So if you are going to create material master record for batch managed material, it is integration part of PM, MM, FICO. If you are going to evaluate material as per valuation class and valuation type for refurbishment process, it is integration part of MM, FICO and PM. So this is how you can understand that this is integration with these three module. Now I'm coming on the PM integration. So when you are going to define capacity planning at work center in integration of SAP PM and MM. Okay, so now I will explain it by one example through SAP server. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to create one maintenance order. I will create for PM01. I will use one equipment. One second. One second. Okay. I need to open different one. One second. Okay. So you can see now, I'm going to explain through this another example. Suppose you are going to create one work center, okay, and you are creating work center for this plant, and you are going to create one work center and equipment category. You are going to take triple time 5. So usage will be 004. 1 second. PM01 control key. So capacity. Okay, so you are going to take 002. So here we are going to assign work center activity. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to assign capacity planner group, this one. Okay. I am going to use capitalization as a 4 hours. So again, I am going to show you. So I have assigned a number of individual capacity for 4. Okay. And if your working hour is starting from 8 hour and you are finishing at 1 second, 17, and you are taking 1 hour as a, so means you are working, you start work at a 8 o'clock and you are finished, you finish at 70 means 5 o'clock, and you are taking 1 hours as a length of break. So for individual it will operating time will be 8 hour, and for it will be 32 hours. So it is a capacity of this work center. Okay. And now you are going to assign as a HRMS. So here you need to assign some manpower. Okay. And you can create manpower by using, okay, this icon. So this is the capacity planning. If I will click on it, you can see here capacity assignment, change work center capacity assignment. So it is an integration part of PM and PP. Okay. Now the next point is this system condition is to be maintained as a not in operation in the work order. It is integration part of PM and PP. The second point is a similar from the first one. The capacity planning is a standard functionality to SAP to monitor the capacity like machine labor and etc. in the system. Now the third one is a system condition. So I'm going to show you system condition in SAP server. No. So I have opened one work order here. So when you are going to create any maintenance order, okay, and here you are assigning as a machine is not in operation or in operation. So it is a integration part of PM and MM. Okay. So this is the not in operation in the work order. Okay. It is integration part of PM and PP. Now I'm going to show you integration between PM and QM. So assignment of inspection type in maintenance order is known as a uh, is known as a integration between PM and QM. And if you are going to perform result recording and usage decision for particular equipment, it is also integration part of PM and QM. So I'm going to show you by one example. Suppose you are going to create a task list. Okay, general task you are going to create. So here you need to define inspection point. Okay. So you can see this inspection point is a 300 for equipment and 310 for functional location. So it is an integration point because you are going to create one general task list for any equipment, but it is a integration with a QM. Okay. You can see this is a QM data. Okay. And this task list you can use in calibration maintenance process. Okay. So this is the integration part. When you are going to perform usage decision, or suppose you are going to define usage decision by using T code QA32. So I'm pressing, so inspection lot selection. Okay. So from here you can define any of things. So there are nothing. But if when you are going to perform result recording and user decision, it is also integration point of PM and QM. Okay, so this is how we have completed our integration part. Now I'm going to explain another example. I by using creating maintenance order. So if you will, okay, okay. So if you are going to perform any activity, okay, if you are going to perform any operation, so you need to know, you need to define some activity. This is the activity. If you have assigned or defined some any activity type, it is integration part of PM and FICO. And the cost, if you will issue some component in component tab, okay, suppose I am going to issue any component, plant I will use, suppose I am going to issue this one, okay, entity I will take L, press enter. Okay, so you can see if I will determine the cost, okay, so maybe we need to check here cost is occurred. You can see now the plan cost is occurred in this maintenance order. So when we will, so this cost, and there are three different type of cost: estimated cost, plan cost, actual cost. It is also integration with PM and PM, MM and FICO. When you will settle this cost at a settlement profile as a settlement receiver at a cost center or a GL account, it is integration part of PM and MM and FICO. When you are going to check material availability, this is the T code, this is the icon. Okay, so from here you can do material availability check. So it is also integration part of PM, MM. Okay, so this is how you can understand ki how our SAP PM module is integrated with other module. Okay, so this is the things which related to our SAP PM, MM, FICO, PP and QM integration, and you can remember for your better understanding. And this question will always ask by interview during interview process. So you need to clear all your doubt in this video, and you can go through one by one and you can note down. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ping me, you can connect me. Okay, and now I'm going to stop our today's session, and thank you so much. Okay, and thanks for watching my video. Bye, take care.